Hey, it's another day. So, start the camera up and get ready to film. It's almost like a cup of java, man, not made right. Hey, I'm Fish. I thank you very much for joining. And yeah, what am I going to be talking? What am I going to be shooting? What am I going to be doing? What am I going to be? I'm to put you away to the side if you don't like starting up every time I press you. You're like that sun. It's got to rise each time. It doesn't rise every time on time. It rises a little later. It rises a little earlier. But it does its job. It rises. It also has to set. So it's on clockwork to the precise time of each day. It does its job. But there are days that you don't see it. And it's like a DJI most of the time. Opposite way, of course. Alright, that don't bother me having a bird over there. But man, I went to a number of parks. Everybody's in there. Look at that bird all the way there. My silhouette. How nice is it? Oh, yeah. A fish. Turn around, buddy. Oh, yeah. Perfect silhouette. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to deal with what I got. There's not much to deal with over here. They don't put chairs or anything so you can watch the people fly. They just put, brick, mason, and big blocks to block everything off that you can't even do anything. There used to be something, so here I am. Pick a spot so I can yip and yap to you. Do the best with what you got, I say. I'm not even near a highway. I hear all that noise. It is what it is, man. It's just like the DJI Action 3, which I'm using, trying to grab the best shots for you with the hard shutter button to turn the camera on. Well, didn't they think that they should have made it a little bit better? They should have put a switch in there. So if you wanted to have a hard button while underwater, you could have did a little slide to put extra hard material there for you, and when not slide back, the switch would break. It would get stuck in between and you wouldn't be able to hit the on and off. Well, it's the same thing having it or not. Make a camera that works. Nobody out there in the world will tell you like it is. Fish will. I will tell you like it is. And many people just pass by great information. Oh, wow. I started. I guess you liked what I did. I talked to the camera. I got some information. And it worked. Thanks, DJI. So tell me, what could you do with 4 of those? They're stones. Can't take them. They're glued down. Mortar mix the proper way. Cameras, bikes, cars, planes, airplanes, and automobiles. Ever watch that movie? I sure did, a number of times. Well, it's about time to think about my next camera. What's it going to be? I don't know. Well, I got to send out 50 emails. I just got to copy and paste it. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Well, I got work to be done, business to take care of, and get back to bizwax. And the rest is the rest. Well, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I'll see you later.